डिजिटल इंडिया मिशन के अंतर्गत दिल्ली मेट्रो रेल कॉरपोरेशन के प्रबंध निदेशक डॉक्टर मंगू सिंह ने डीएमआरसी की नई वेबसाइट और एक मोबाइल ऐप लॉन्च किया। आइए सुनते हैं क्या कहा पीआरओ अनुज दयाल ने दिल्ली मेट्रो भवन में।
2 साल से तो कोरोना चल रहा है, तो इट्स अ वेरी बड़े दिन बाद आप लोग को भी हम इनवाइट कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग टुडे। और 1997 में आपने आप जानते होंगे डॉक्टर श्रीधरन ने ज्वाइन किया था और इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दैट डॉक्टर मंगू सिंह ने भी ज्वाइन किया, हमारे एमडी। उसके बाद सब्सिक्वेंटली डीएमआरसी हैज ग्रोन और हमारी पहली वेबसाइट जो ओरिजिनली वेबसाइट थी 98 में लॉन्च हुई थी। 98 में हमें कोई इंटरनेशनल टेंडर फ्लोट करना था, तो देन एमडी डॉक्टर श्रीधरन हैड सेड इन हाउ मेनी डेज कैन यू लॉन्च द वेबसाइट, बिकॉज दे हैड टू फ्लोट इट इन 8 डेज। तो हमारी पहली वेबसाइट was launched in 8 days flat. We said we will do it in 8 days and we did it in 8 days. So it's a long journey since then, and we have always tried to move with the times and adapt the latest technologies which can help in enhancing the passenger experience. The Delhi Metro, which started 2 decades back, when the journey of Delhi Metro was in the initial stages, at that time internet penetration was still very low, and we wanted to bring in the best technologies available, and the website was one of those innovations. Commonwealth Games, when they took place in 2010, we revamped the website completely and relaunched it with many new additional features, so that visitors coming to our city from countries across the world did not face any inconvenience while planning their journeys on the metro. In line with the Government of India's Digital India initiative, which endeavors to ensure that the government services are made available to citizens electronically by improving online infrastructure, DMRC today is launching its new revamped official website and mobile application. I can proudly say that these are among the world's most feature-rich and advanced interactive digital platforms on Metro Railway. The website consists of 20 pages earlier of static content in 2002, and today it is a massive interactive platform which can give real-time information about destinations, travel time, service updates, etc. It has indeed been a stupendous journey. We have been continuously expanding our digital footprint to make traveling more convenient for metro passengers. Now, recharge of smart cards is possible digitally, and all service-related updates are available on our social media channels. Our social media channel started in 2018 at the instigation of Dr. Mangu Singh, have also emerged as a reliable source of information for the commuters. On many occasions, we have seen that news channels have quoted our tweets to share information about our services. The Delhi Metro website gets about 20 lakh hits every single day, since it is the main point of contact for information related to tenders, career opportunities, apart from operation details, related details. We get a lot of hits from other countries also, as many prospective foreign visitors go through our website before visiting Delhi. On social media, we have close to 4 lakh followers now. This is an organic number which has grown on its own since the social media channels were opened in late 2018. These figures exhibit how DMRC is rapidly expanding its digital footprint. The relaunching of the website was an extremely challenging task because almost the entire planning and execution of the website took place during the COVID period. There was a time during the second wave of the pandemic when the entire workforce engaged in the website development was unwell. A couple of professionals from the agency which developed the website were even in the ICU. Yet we carried on, and today we are here launching the website. Because of COVID, the research process was also difficult. There were occasions when we tried to reach out to the metro authorities of some cities outside the country, but we could not get the desired response because COVID was sweeping throughout the country at that time. Garg, A.K. Garg, our Director Infrastructure, he has gone through the whole website in detail, given many valuable suggestions which we have implemented, and in fact it was he who really conducted the audit for the website. Shri Devendra Sankalp, JGM Operations, Himanshu Sharma, DGM CC, who will be making the presentation today and who is very familiar with the website. Kedar Nath, AMCC, Nirupama Musahari, Senior SCTO, Gunjan Khani, Senior Supervisor CC, IT Department of DMRC, and the NIC, I would like to thank them because they have given us a lot of help during the hosting process. And last but not the least, Messrs. Arrowa Tech, Mr. Nishant Tyagi and his team, they have developed the website. Thank you very much.
So our vision is that we should give the services to the passengers so that the passenger gets delighted. It has been our effort all the way to provide more and more facilities to our travelers. But the IT professional can only provide IT facility. He has to be guided what is required from the website. So we constituted a core group. The names were just read by Mr. Anuj Dayal, and we requested them to think from the passenger perspective. Because when we work in Delhi Metro, for us it is a routine job. But we must sit peacefully and think that what is the need of passenger? What information is generally required by the passenger so that his travel may become hassle-free. So they came out with a lot of ideas, and we gave those ideas to the IT expert, and about 5-6 months back this website was developed. As Mr. Anuj Dayal just mentioned, that it's a very huge size of website where a lot of information is available. Now, correctness and accuracy of information is of utmost requirement. Now I can say with conviction that the final outcome of this website and app will be almost very, very accurate. Mobile app, but 2 additional features are available in the mobile app which are not there in the website. The first one is, wherever you are standing in the city, supposing you are doing shopping in a market and you need to catch a metro train, you just click a button, the app will tell you which is the nearest metro station available. You can go to that metro station and board a train. But only thing is, you must have GPS on your mobile. That is one feature. Second feature is, you must have noticed that anybody who is coming to Delhi first time and is traveling on our system, he will board a train. All the time he will be under tension when his station will come. He will ask his fellow passengers, भाई वो स्टेशन आ जाए तो जरा मुझे बता देना. Now not required. You can feed this information in your mobile, and whenever your station will come, the mobile will give you alarm. You be ready to get down. So all these facilities are because the website is dynamic. Today, after having created this website and app, we then try to find out what other metros, developed countries metros are doing. And I can tell you with conviction that our website is better than most of the world's websites like London Metro, Paris Metro, Madrid Metro, Hong Kong Metro, Tokyo Metro. The presentation will tell you what are the features, whether these features which we have created in our Delhi Metro are available in those metros or not. Thank you very much.
सभी फोटोग्राफर तैयार हैं और अब हम देख रहे हैं कि कैसे पीछे हमारे ठीक पीछे स्क्रीन पर दिल्ली मेट्रो की नई वेबसाइट www.delhimetrorail.com आप सबके समक्ष और प्रस्तुत है भारत सरकार के डिजिटल इंडिया मिशन के तहत सरकारी सेवाओं को आम नागरिकों के लिए। और ये वेबसाइट का पहला लुक, जिसमें दुनिया सारे फीचर्स अलग अलग मेट्रो से बेहतर करने के प्रयास में हमारे यात्रियों को सुलभ और आसान तरीके से उपलब्ध हों। दिल्ली मेट्रो की नई नवेली। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। और अब मैं दोबारा अनुरोध करूंगा कि नए लुक में, नए अवतार में हमारा दिल्ली मेट्रो का मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन 23 फरवरी 2022, ये तारीख आप याद रखें, दिल्ली के लिए और दुनिया भर से आने वाले मेट्रो के साथियों के लिए, यात्रियों के लिए ये ऐप बहुत ही कारगर साबित होगा। नए ये ब्लू लुक में है, बिल्कुल अपडेटेड, और इस पर रियल टाइम अपडेट्स, नए स्टेशन की जानकारी और नज़दीकी स्टेशन की जानकारी बहुत ही सुलभ।
We are facing heavy load on our server.
सो बीच में कभी सर थोड़ा हैंग हो जाए तो आई विल रिफ्रेश द पेज, तो प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट. So sir, the website is by default open in Hindi, लेकिन इसमें हिंदी दोनों है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों है. सर दिस इज हिंदी, दिस इज इंग्लिश. इसमें दो सेक्शन है, फॉर पैसेंजर्स और फॉर कॉर्पोरेट. बाय डिफॉल्ट दिस साइट विल बी ओपन फॉर पैसेंजर्स. और अगर आपको किसी को टेंडर रिक्रूटमेंट या आई मीन आरटीआई या एनी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, तो यू कैन सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द कॉर्पोरेट and the corporate side will be open. This is our new corporate side. तो जैसे राज सर ने बताया, तो आई विल स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन विद प्लान माई जर्नी. प्लान माई जर्नी में हमें दो ऑप्शन है. एक तो थ्रू मैप के हम जर्नी प्लान कर सकते हैं, या दिस इज द मैनुअल सिस्टम. यहाँ पे हम स्टेशन का नाम टाइप कर सकते हैं और इसमें क्लिक करके भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं लाइन वाइज. इसमें ऑल द लाइन्स वी हैव पोस्ट अप टू एयरपोर्ट लाइन एंड रैपिड मेट्रो ऑल्सो. इसमें लाइन 1 में हम क्लिक करेंगे तो यू कैन सी ऑल द लाइन 1 स्टेशन आर देयर. इसको क्लिक करके भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट मैं यहाँ पे टाइप करके दिखा देता हूँ. वन रूट, so I am selecting Bikaji Gama place, Lakshmi Nagar to Bikaji Gama place. इसमें primarily the website will give me three things: whether I want to leave now or I can leave later also. I can plan my journey for future dates also. So for future dates, we can click simply here. The pop-up will come with the calendar and timing. But for this time, I am clicking on the now. Then I will get two options: whether I can travel by shortest route or minimum interchange. The website will give you by default shortest route. When I click on the show route and fare, you will see the entire map will give you a view. The map will show you the selected route only, color in color. बाकी जो है मैप का सेक्शन ब्लर हो जाएगा. इसको आप जूम करेंगे तो you can see the shortest route में लक्ष्मी नगर से भिकाजी गामा प्लेस. So this time is 16:32 at the clock. But this is our real-time information. The website is showing that train next available train is 3:35. Total travel time is 47 minutes. Fare is 40. Number of station is 13. If we go to the full screen view, the website will tell you in detail from Lakshmi Nagar you will board the train. It will take 10 minutes to reach Mandi House. And so all three stations. Through platform number 1, you have to go towards Dwarka sector 29. Again from Mandi House, you will move towards Violet line. It will take another 5 minutes from Mandi House to Janpa Central Secretariat. It will take another 5 minutes. Zoom in the map and suppose कीर्ति नगर पर क्लिक करेंगे बॉक्स पे. फ्रॉम सिलेक्ट कर लिया, फिर राजीव चौक इसमें हम चूज कर रहे हैं. टू सिलेक्ट कर लिया. द सेम ऑप्शन विल अपीयर लाइक द अर्लियर मॉड्यूल. इसमें हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे. So the information will flow like this. Same result you will get, but through map only. It will take you, save your time. And from mobile also, if you operate the website from your mobile also, it will be very helpful for a commuter. Then one of the most another important feature is service status, which we have. This is the live service status of all lines. What we are doing this time, our all lines are working normally. If some accident happen, yeah, some technical side happen, we have, and in this case, if we have to close some stations, the particular line will blink yellow for partial service. If we close the entire line, then the information will come is no service. I will show you a live demo. We have a mirror site, which is this is also the mirror site of the main site. But this is not live in our private server. So here we have put yellow line 5 stations down from Kashmiri Gate to Rajiv Chowk. So if you go here service status, you see station service 32 normal service, 5 no service, 0 plant maintenance. Station status, if you go downstairs, you can see all 5 stations are closed. Why the stations are closed? यहाँ पे हमने रीजन दिया है लाइन ऑफ पेज. we have put the information on the line update. You see, trains are just partially unavailable between Rajasthan and Kashmir Gate due to signaling issues. Commuters are advised to plan their journey by alternate routes. In this case, what will happen? Our journey planner will guide you for the alternate routes automatically. You don't need to do any additional effort. Suppose मैं कश्मीरी गेट से सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरीट लेता हूँ, route and fare. So here what happened? If you see the map, this is actually a straight route from Kashmir Gate to Central Secretariat, yellow line. But since their stations are closed, the website will automatically take me to the violet line to my destination. This is another important feature. You see, list of toilets are available. It's like food and restaurants, all data are filled. Then I'll come to the fare calculator. This is a simple fare calculator. If someone wants to know only the fare, A to B मुझे जाना है और fare कितना है, then the website will tell you the fare. For demo, I'll show you. Although it has increased to 1500 per second right now. I've just got the message. 1500 each per second. So this is the fare. And after that, we have defined our tokens and ticket system so that an outsider can easily choose their option or take knowledge about the what kind of payment options are available in Delhi Metro. Token smart card, tourist card, national mobility, common mobility card, QR code based ticketing. Suppose इसको डिटेल में जानना है, इसमें वो स्मार्ट कार्ड केस में चले जाएंगे तो यू द वेबसाइट विल टेल यू एवरीथिंग, बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम वेयर दे कैन परचेज, व्हाट अमाउंट, हाउ दे कैन परचेज, 10% डिस्काउंट, पीक आवर्स, नॉन पीक आवर्स, डिटेल्स आर अवेलेबल. Then I'll come to into two sections basically the transport and places to visit. Transport में we have included all airports, railway station, bus terminals. Suppose इसमें places to visit, Ugrasen की Bauli. I plan my journey from here. So you can see by default the destination is Barakhamba Road. Website knows that Agrasen ki Bagli is just nearby Barakhamba Road metro station. So you have to fill the source also, where you plan, from where you can plan the journey. Then lost and found basically it's a common topic of query for commuters. अभी हमारा दो लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड है और दोनों का डाटा अलग अलग जगह अवेलेबल है. हमने दोनों को एक साथ विच रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन एंड लिस्ट ऑफ लॉस्ट एंड आइटम फाउंड आइटम्स एक ही जगह प्लेस किया हुआ है. इफ यू कैन सी डीएमआरसी का लॉस्ट एंड ऑफिस का डिटेल्स, लिस्ट ऑफ लॉस्ट आइटम, और रैपिड मेट्रो गुड़गांव का लिस्ट ऑफ लॉस्ट आइटम डिटेल्स, एवरी डिटेल्स वी हैव पुट ऑन अ सिंगल पेज. Then this is the travel advisory. Many people ask queries about what to do with these things, do's and don'ts, particularly items prohibited in metro systems. What kind of items are prohibited in your system? Then penalties. We have two types of penalties. One is under Quandan Act and one is under business rule. We have clearly mentioned all these sections over here so that people can get the proper knowledge about the penalties. And after that, emergency evacuation plan. This is an international practice. When we have gone through all international metros website, we have seen everything everywhere is available. So we have made it simple as that. This is the unique feature, first and last train timing. So फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट लाइन टाइम इज अवेलेबल ऑन टोक्यो मेट्रो. बाकी जगह पर भी है, लेकिन बाकी जगह पर बहुत स्टैटिक है. आप स्टडी मोस्ट ऑफ देम देयर आर एक्सेल शीट्स आर अपलोडेड इन अदर मेट्रो, या वर्ड पीडीएफ फाइल्स आर अपलोडेड व्हिच आर नॉट यूजर फ्रेंडली. Fare calculator is available almost. Next station alert is again not available in the mobile app. Nearest station mobile app is available in some time. Line status with details is partially available in London, Tokyo, fully available in Madrid. Hong Kong is partially available, fully available in Delhi Metro. That's all, sir. Thank you.